Hey guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am catching up on my Some Assemblage Required Advent Calendar. It's been a long 2 days, guys. My shift supervisor called out yesterday and today, so I have spent 2 13-hour days at work. I am exhausted. So what I want to do is catch up. So this is day 4. And then kind of see if there's something in here that I want to use for my December project. So this is a movie night one, lights, camera, action, some stars, and a film strip. Not going to use that in the December project. But this is day 5. This is today. A lot of the times we go see a movie on Christmas, and I don't even know if we're going to do that this year. Because I don't know what's playing. Okay, all right, and some more movie fun things. So we've got these movie flare buttons, movie reel, and a clicker clacker, and some popcorn. So definitely things that are not going in my December project, but this would make a lovely spread for something, or some sort of movie thing. So here is my book, Time for an Adventure. If anybody has any information or ideas, should I put the date there or here, let me know. Here is that, Washington, see how that turned out. I love it. We got Deck the Halls, and then the December calendar. So a lot of the times I do include a December calendar, and then I write down anything that kind of happened during that month. Now, my December project is not just only good stuff that happens, so things like spending 13 hours at work 2 days in a row. Could definitely go on this calendar. Probably wouldn't tell the story of it. But yeah, I wanted to do a little flip through because I don't think I showed what came in this. We got Christmas checklist. Probably would not use that. I do like this 'Tis the Season to Be Jolly. I could cut this out. This is a Dear Santa, Make It Merry. I really like the Make It Merry. Probably put it like this, decorate it, and do something else on the other side. Holiday Favorites. This is something that I would just include in kind of the story of the day. This kind of thing doesn't really thrill me that much. Believe in the Magic of the Season. This is all right. Not crazy about that. We have Believe. And then our holidays, some notes. I don't know what I'll do here. You have some, what are these, Polaroids. Those could be cut out, or you could leave it like this, put a couple different pictures. The matching to this. December date and document it, like I won't use that. Could cut apart these. There's a pocket. I love pockets in my December project, so that is awesome. And then, of course, we have some of this. So that is it, you guys. Basically, I did my Advent calendar with you and showed you what this. It's December 5th, and I've got one story in here. I'm not stressing about it. I hope you aren't stressing about it. I am off tomorrow, fingers crossed. So hopefully I'll be able to work a little bit in here. Tomorrow is Whiny Wednesday, so we'll do something probably regular scrapbooking and not Christmas scrapbooking. But that is where I am going to call this one good, you guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your graciousness for today's video ahead of time. And I will see you guys again real soon for another video.